Automatically add Heights platform students data to MailerLite as subscriber. So assume that I'm selling a course in this Heights platform, and I want that whenever a new student signed up for my course into this particular platform, the same student should be automatically created as a subscriber in MailerLite email marketing software. Well, I want to sync all my students data with MailerLite software so that I don't need to manually export the students email list and then import it to the MailerLite. So if you also want to sync these two applications, come with me and I will show you the process step by step. So this is my Heights platform, and here I have created a course with the name PHP course for beginners, which I am selling. And I want whenever someone is going to sign up for this particular course, the same data should be added as a subscriber here in MailerLite. And for that, I'll have to connect these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. And it is an integration and automation software. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. And if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am clicking on signing and then clicking on access now, and this is how you will also reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here exactly we are going to start creating our automation. So click on this blue button and just provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. I am providing the name as Add Heights platform students data to MailerLite as subscriber. Okay, now click on create and you will actually find two boxes in front of you. Those are actually trigger and action. Okay, let me show you. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. When this happens, do this. So understand with an example also that whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. And according to our use case, whenever the students signed up into Heights platform application, automatically create a subscriber in MailerLite application. So this is how we need to always select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. And here in this particular case, we are building an automation in between Heights platform. So that is why the first application, the trigger application, will be the same. And the trigger event, well, I want that whenever a new student signs up, in that case this automation should trigger. So I have selected the trigger event as same. Now click on connect, and the idea here is we are connecting Heights platform with the Pabbly Connect so that the data of Heights platform, basically the students data, firstly can capture here in Pabbly Connect, and then we are going to send the same data to different application or to the MailerLite application, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Now click on add new connection, and here it is asking for the token and the subdomain. Well, for subdomain you can actually read the instructions from here. Okay, so you'll have to go to your Heights platform, and here in the URL, before the dot and after the HTTPS colon part, you will have to copy. Okay, so this is my domain which I have copied and pasted it here, and make sure you do not copy this particular dot, so I have removed it. And for the token, you can find the API key by login to your Heights platform account. After the login, click on the drop down menu at the top right corner, and in the account settings on the right hand side there will be an API key. So let's go back to our Heights platform, and here I'm going to click as per the instructions, and here are the account settings, and here exactly I am going to find the API key, and yes, I have actually find it, which I am going to copy and paste it here. And this is how you can also connect your Heights platform with the Pabbly Connect, and here you can see it is connected. Now finally I'll be clicking on this button and you will see the most recent data, basically the person who has just signed up into the Heights platform, that particular data will be captured here in the Pabbly Connect. So I have clicked on this button. Read the instructions also that once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to do a test submission, and here the test submission is signing up of a new student. So here I will open my course section. The name of my course is PHP course for beginners, and from here exactly I will open the landing page of this particular course. Alright, and let us directly open this particular landing page in completely a new tab. Alright, so that I can show you, and here and from here exactly people can actually join your course, people can actually sign up for your course. So how about I click on this join program, and here with the dummy details I am going to sign up in this particular course as a student. Alright, so here you can see I am registering for this particular course as a dummy student, and I have even provided the name as dummy student only, and here is the email address, and here I have actually provided all the details. Click on sign up, and why it is showing that one error is there? Well, this user from being saved email has already been taken. So how about I add a completely different email? So this time I am signing up as a student with completely different email address. Let us again click on sign up, and this time I'm expecting to sign up, and here you can see I have signed up. So come back to Pabbly Connect, and here you will find that the same data of the student will be captured here, and here you can see the response has been received immediately after the signing up into this course as a student. And here you can see dummy student is the name of the person, and here is the email address of the student. So the first step of our automation of our integration is actually done. Now we are going to save this particular data to the MailerLite email marketing application, and for that I'll have to search for the MailerLite here, and here is the MailerLite application. And in the action event, since I want to create or update a subscriber, basically I want to create a subscriber, so I will go with this particular action event. Now click on add new connection, and again for the connection it is asking for the token. So go back to your MailerLite dashboard, and here you will find an option of integrations. I'm going to click on that option, and here exactly under this MailerLite API section you will find this button use. Okay, so I am going to open this particular section, and from this particular button generate new token, you can actually generate a new token and then paste it here. But for now I will be going with this existing connection because I have recently made the connection with MailerLite. So I will be clicking on the save directly, and you will see your MailerLite account will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. Now finally, after filling out these basic details, basically the email address, the name, we are going to automatically create a subscriber in MailerLite email marketing software. So firstly it is asking for the subscriber email, and from where I will get this data? Basically from the above response which I have just received, and I don't need to copy and paste it here. We are going to simply map it, and mapping is very simple. You will have to click on this drop down. Well, here you will have to first enable this mapping button, and then after that when you will click on this field you will actually find the same data, the above data here in the drop down. Okay, even read the instructions, insert the data from the previous step. So yes, I am going to insert this data from the drop down, and I have mapped my email address. Now whether you would like to go with the subscribed, unsubscribed or active, well, I want the status to keep it as the active only, and it is asking for the groups, for the name, last name, company name. Well, I'm going to leave all these fields blank except the important fields, and those are actually the name of the person. So again I'm going to map the name of the student, and finally I have provided all the details. And now if I will click on this button, you will see the same data will be created as a subscriber here in the MailerLite. So let us first check the subscriber section of MailerLite, and here you can see no subscriber found. Coming back here, clicking on save and send test request and waiting for the response to receive, and here you can see, well, the given data was invalid, the email address cannot be imported. Well, the problem is I think with the email address, because I'm trying to add the dummy email address which it is not actually taken. So how about I replace this dummy email address with the genuine one, and then we will see whether it is going to create it as a subscriber or not. So firstly I'm going to register in my Heights platform with a completely new email address. So I have clicked on the save and send test request button once again, and now it is again waiting for a new student data, and here I am going to sign up with a completely new email address, basically with a genuine email address. And finally I will be clicking on sign up, and you will see it will sign up immediately, and here you can see it has signed up. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here you can see the same response has been received here immediately. And now I am going to refresh this particular automation, and you will see that it will replace the existing mapping with the new mapping. So I'm going to refresh this automation. All right. Okay, so the automation has been refreshed and the mapping has also been replaced automatically. Finally, I will be clicking on this button and you will see this time for sure this person will be added as a subscriber. You can see the response is also received. Here I am going to refresh my MailerLite dashboard and waiting for the new subscriber to be created, and here you can see the same subscriber has been created here automatically. Here is the email address of the person, and let me even show you the name of the person, and here you can see the dummy student name. It is the same name via which I have signed up into my Heights platform course. So this is how now onwards, whenever some person is going to sign up into my course, the same person details will be added to the MailerLite and it will be created as a subscriber in MailerLite automatically. And for that you just need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once, and after that sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. And in case you want to clone this whole setup into your account, I will be attaching this shareable workflow link into my description box, from where you can directly click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect for free, and this particular automation will be cloned into your account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.